Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're going to have two different molecules and we want to know if the overall molecule is going to be polar or not. So in both of the cases what is going to happen is that we're going to have polar bonds. This is going to be because in the case of beryllium we're going to have a delta minus charge on the chlorine atoms and a delta plus charge on the beryllium atom. Contrary to that, we're going to have a delta minus a partial negative charge on the oxygen and partial positive charges on the hydrogen. Let me put everything here on red since the green marker doesn't show up as well. This is going to happen due to the difference of electronegativity, but notice that the difference that we're going to have in between these two molecules is going to be the presence of lone pairs that we're going to have over here. So in the case of water, what is going to occur is that the overall arrangement is going to be two pair of electrons which are going to repel each other, giving the water a certain angle over here. Contrary to that, for the case of beryllium chloride, the molecule is going to stay as a linear molecule. That means that the dipole moment that we could have going on the direction of each of the chlorine atoms is going to cancel out exactly. So the overall dipole moment would be equal to zero. I'm going to put it in red. On the case of the oxygen, we're going to have two dipole moments, which is going to generate an overall dipole moment on the direction of the oxygen. They are not going to cancel out perfectly because of the angle that we're going to have. Thus, in water, we're going to keep a polar molecule, but in beryllium chloride, this would be a non-polar molecule. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.